Dr. Jeenam Shah. I'm a consultant pulmonologist practicing at Saifi, Bhatia and Wokhad Hospitals, South Bombay. No, you need to take at least 2 shots of the vaccine, that is the Indian vaccines, Covaxin or Covishield, and you have to wait for at least 2 to 4 weeks before you develop the immunity. Yes, whatever data we have as of now, preliminary data, it suggests that both the vaccines that is marketed in India, that is Covaxin as well as Covishield, are effective against the COVID-19 strain which is going on, that is the double mutant strain, which is also known as the Indian mutation. Again, both the Indian vaccine, that is Covaxin and Covishield, are proven to be effective against the double mutant, that is the Indian strain, and have shown good response or good immunity after getting the COVID-19 vaccine. No, you shouldn't take the shot. COVID-19 vaccines are meant for protection against the disease and they are not meant for a treatment after you're getting COVID-19 infection. The side effects with either of the vaccines, Covaxin or Covishield, is more or less similar. You tend to develop fever which lasts for 24 to 48 hours. You develop fatigue, body ache, myalgias, those are the common symptoms. Rarely you develop a lot of pain at the injection site, but these are the common things. And especially for comorbid people, there is no other different side effects. Those are the usual for all age groups, whether you have comorbidities or you don't have comorbidities. As far as I am aware, Maharashtra, Delhi, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal are few of the states which are providing free vaccine to all of their citizens. For the Indian vaccine, Covaxin and Covishield, the time period is more or less the same. For Covishield, it is recommended 4 to 8 weeks between the 2 doses of the vaccine. And for Covaxin, it is recommended between 4 to 6 weeks for the second dose. I would say that right now both the Indian vaccines are available, and by the time J&J comes, we are not really sure when it is going to come. So it's always better that you take the vaccine, whatever is available right now, and get immunity sooner rather than waiting for the second vaccine to come later on. So right now, whatever literature and whatever data and studies we have has said that both the vaccines have to be taken only twice, 2 doses. But we don't know in the future if there are going to be multiple strains and multiple mutations happening, we might require extra doses. But as of now, the thing which is recommended is 2 doses only. We don't need a third booster dose as of now.